Well, good afternoon. Glenn Old Man with a cam, and we're back out at Hinckley Lake. They finally started to do something out here. They're starting to dredge over by the boathouse. So we're going to take a look at that in a little bit. But first, let's take a look at the lake. I've done several updates in the past few months on the lake. You can see there's water in it again. Well, we've gotten a whole lot of rain over the past few weeks. You can see it's very flooded down there. One of the places I stood, you no longer can stand. That's the swimming area. The dam is looking pretty good. It's still here. But they have begun to dredge over around the corner. And we're going to go take a look at that. I just wanted to get a glimpse of this right now. So if you're ready, let's go take a walk through time. Well, we're going to go down here and check out past the boathouse to see if the road's open around the lake. I don't know if it is. How could they have construction going on over there while hauling, dredging, and have the road open? So let's go take a look. It is a beautiful day out here. Finally cooled down a little. It's only in the 80s. What does it say? 81. Cool. Compared to the 90s, high 90s we've had. Oh yeah, I see a sign up. Road closed. Let's see. They have to have it open at least to the lower section. Let's go down and take a look. The gentleman I was just talking to said that over the weekend they were able to get around here. So I wonder if, when they're not working on that, if they open up the road. And would that be just on the weekend? I don't know. We'll have to see. Yeah, see, the road is closed. We've got double barriers up here. Double barriers over there. They had one back there beyond the parking lot, and I think the path is closed too. Yeah, the path is closed too. So people can only come up this far, and then they have to turn around and go the other way. Let's go down to the boathouse and check that out. See what they're doing down there. Today is July 1st out here at Hinckley Lake, and the dredging has begun. Two big behemoths out there moving dirt. I think they're piling it up. somewhere over there. I thought I saw a pile. Oh. Unless they're just, I don't know. Tough to tell what they're doing. It looks like this one to the left here is maybe digging the bank down. Let's see if we can get a closer look at that. But they have started again July 1st, 2025. Kind of tough to see what he's doing, but he's getting after something. You'll notice the big plank of wood he's got there. What he's actually doing is he's moving his own platform. As he dredges, he moves back onto that platform so he doesn't sink into the muck, which is quite deep in spots. See the watery part way out there. What is this? Well, it's a gentleman. There's a spotter out there. Huh. I think what he's doing over on this side is building a gravel road that will extend out into this area here. I just don't know what that one is doing. Preparing the ground? We'll see in the next few days. We will see. Let's go see what topside looks like. Definitely looks like what they're doing is building a road to get out in the middle section there. So it's going to get interesting the next few weeks. We're going to have to make sure we hop out here quite often. Just for a reference, the boathouse is back over that way, where we were. We got East Drive. Let's see, East Drive should head out to State Route 3. And we should be able to pick up the other section of the parkway there. FYI, right here, there used to be a house back in there, and the park system purchased that. From what I understand, plans are to build a boathouse back there. We'll keep you updated on that too. Okay, this is State Road, which I believe is State Route 3. You have to watch it here because people go speeding through here. Oh. I don't know if you can see it way up there. But there's more construction equipment coming in. Making a delivery on it. Doesn't look like we're going to be able to get in there. Trail closed, road closed. Yeah. They got some big equipment here. You can see that, and then up further the road is closed. So they're starting to work on it, and they've leveled all that off back there. So look at that. Wow. Okay. I think that's going to do it for this section of it. I hope you enjoyed that. This little update is going to get fascinating from here on out. This is Glenn, old man with the cam, saying thanks for joining me. Glad to have you along. You have a great day. What are you looking for? Hey. Rocky, what you doing? Go ahead. Go on where you're going. Yep, yep. He's going to check out the other one. See if he can get in there. Well, nope, nothing, nothing. Okay, moving on. I have to laugh at that.